What I'm showing today is how to attach ribbon ends to complete your macrame work or kumihimo. So I've already attached one end, and now I'm going to attach the other end. I'm going to measure the width here and give it a little snip. And I'm going to add some glue, my E6000. Kind of pinch that together a little bit. And then I'm going to put my ends in there, and I'm going to hold it and take my pliers and give it gentle little squeezes till it starts to hold. Pinch it in a little bit, and there you have it.